In the video for today, I'm going to show you how you could convert a document from one format to the other. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. Well, if you are not doing fantastic and you are watching my video for today, don't you worry, stick with me till the end. You are definitely going to go away with a big smile on your face, because I am going to share with you an amazing idea to convert any document from one format to the other for absolutely free of cost. And if you are around here on my channel for the first time, consider subscribing to my channel, smash that bell notification icon, and always share my content after you watch my videos, because I make simple and easy videos related to the technology niche for you to understand, which is going to be super interesting and super helpful in the future. So let me dive straight in. In order for you to convert a document from one format to the other, the first thing you need to do is get onto this website called onlineconvert.com. This is an amazing website that has a document converter. Now, how you can convert a document is very simple and easy. Let me show you an example. Okay, so say suppose you have a Word file stored on your PC or your smartphone or your laptop, whatever, and you want to convert this Word file to PDF, okay, or .pdf. So you get back to the website onlineconvert.com and select the format from the drop down menu. Okay, so you want to convert this to a .pdf format, so you click on convert to PDF and click on go. Once you do that, you get the PDF converter available on this website. Once you are on this page, click on choose files. Once you do that, you can upload the file you want to convert. So in this case, I want to convert this Word file to a .pdf file, so I upload that, and you have optional settings that you could adjust if you want. That's totally up to you. Once the file is uploaded, you click on start conversion. Once you click on start conversion, the file is converted on the website within like few seconds or few minutes, and the download starts automatically. Okay, so it is as simple and easy as this. Okay, so it is downloaded. By chance, if the download doesn't start automatically, you can click on the download option out here and download the output file to your computer system or your laptop or your smartphone or whatever you are using this website on. Okay, so onlineconvert.com is an amazing website on which not only you could convert a file from Word to PDF or PDF to Word, you could convert to multiple formats. Say supposing you want to convert to an HTML format, you could check this and click on go. If you want to convert a Word file or a PDF file or whatever format file you have to maybe a PPT format, you click on this and click on go. If you want to convert any file to a RTF format, you could click on this, convert to RTF, and click on go. So you have multiple options out here for doing file conversions. You could use this website for absolutely free to do conversions. Oh yes, you do not have any kind of a monthly subscription or a one-time fee to sign up. I hope this was of some value to you, and I am leaving you with a big smile on your face. So this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will definitely come back with another interesting video similar to this. You take care till then. Peace out.